DSSRS, Deputy Governor of Rivers State, Secretary to Rivers State Government, Leader of the House and Honorable Members of the Rivers State House of Assembly, the Chief of Staff to the Government of Rivers State, Head of Service, Cabinet Commissioners, and members of the State Executive Council, former Speaker of the Rivers House of Assembly, former Deputy Speaker the State Assembly, former members of the Rivers State House of Assembly, chairman of the People's Democratic Party across the local government areas that are here. Ladies and gentlemen, Your Excellency, it gives me joy to be here today with members of the Rivers State House of Assembly to present the Rivers State Appropriation Law number 2 of 2023, which you have just assented to. This budget, christened the budget of renewed hope, consolidation and continuity, is indeed one that Rivers people should be joyous and spread the gratitude. The members of the Assembly went through the rigorous processes as required by law, followed all steps, and passed this budget. We are happy because the figures are in line with modern reality, but of particular notice is the keen interest of Rivers State government in critical areas, including but not limited to road infrastructure, connecting one local government to the other, thereby bringing Rivers State to United Rivers. Also worthy of mention is your key attention to youth development, employment generation, and empowerment. That is what will actually bring hope to Rivers people once again. Your Excellency, I want to also appreciate the Rivers State government for finding it very key to revamp, revitalize, and bring back the lost glory of our health sector, the education sector, sports, and other critical areas. This is why, of course, the budget, after due diligence and consideration, was able to hit the 800 billion naira as appropriated. Your Excellency, be rest assured that the Rivers State House of Assembly, the Rivers people are solidly behind you. Every time you call upon us, we are ready to partner with you as arms of government in progress. Thank you so much for your support for the federal government, ably led by Mr. President, and thank you so much for believing in the Rivers dream of our forefathers. Thank you and God bless you.
Gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen, I have the pleasure to present the report of the 2024 Appropriation Bill on behalf of the Rivers State House of Assembly. Your Excellency, the House considered the 2024 Appropriation Bill presented by Your Excellency after due deliberation and careful examination of the items budgeted for, resolved to approve the total sum of 800 billion 392 million 485,933 naira 1 kobo as passed and passed it. The breakdown: capital estimate 410 billion 266 million 485,090 naira 64 kobo. Recurrent estimate 361 billion 598 million 242,570 naira 85 kobo. Total reserve 21 billion 292 million 922,899 naira 51 kobo. Finally, I want to encourage Your Excellency to remain resolute in the discharge of your duty to the people of Rivers State, as been your promise during your campaign to deliver dividend of democracy to the people of Rivers State. We thank you, Your Excellency, for your cautiously and meticulously providing for the people of Rivers State good governance and responsive administration. God bless Your Excellency, and God bless the government of Rivers State, the government and people of Rivers State. At this point, I present the appropriation bill to His Excellency.
And the budget, as a matter of fact, is the framework of our projection for the year 2024. And any man who doesn't have a plan has already planned to fail. It shows that we have a plan for our dear state. For the benefit of doubt, so that a few people will understand, one of the reasons why our budget is in the volume of 800 billion, we intend, not just by desiring, but to ensure that one of the key requests of our dear states are met. And what is that request? We intend, God being our helper, which is already provided in that budget, to dive or adventure into that Daredevil project that nobody wants to talk about, Trans-Kalabari project. Commence immediately, by the special grace of God, the next year, to flag off the actual and the main Kalabari project, phase 2. We have also, in our budget, provided to take care of the Elele, or what do you call it? Or you call it Ikri Road. But it's a road that passes through Ikwere, Emowa, and Ogbebema. We are also taking that Daredevil project as one of our cardinal achievements of this administration. We're not going back. We're going to go into it headlong. So when you look at the budget, we did not just put those figures because we wanted to add figures. We intend to make positive impact in the life of our people. So I want to thank you for your support. I want to assure you that this administration have the best interests of our people. It is our people-oriented administration. It is an administration that wants everyone to have hope, and I assure you that we will continue to protect the interests of our people, do the best for everyone, not minding your position or your class. Our government is a responsive and inclusive government, that our ears are open and our eyes are also open to the need of our people.